Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.20 Sheet tab names. The worksheet tabs are one method to switch sheets. Sheet tab names are used in formula. Do not change them. There are 3 types of tabs: 10 administrative, 12 elevation, 174 cost workup. Administrative sheet names describe the type of sheet information. Elevation sheet names identify the component or part on a sheet. Cost workup sheets are organized by section number. Cost workup sheet names identify a component or part first by its purpose and then by its location and/or position, as that position relates to the fabrication process sequence. For example, in section 1, the first 9 tabs are items in the base. The next 9 tabs are items in the display. The next 8 tabs are items that are in or abut the display. Then the 4 tabs for bulkhead items. The tab layout sequence helps synchronize the cost workup with the fabrication methods. Sheets can be rearranged at the user's discretion. This example 1.1.20 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.21.